Hello everyone, welcome you all. Now this session is based on the problem where men, women, children are involved to complete a job. Look at the screen. The same problem which I already covered in conventional method, example 8, now by LCM method. The same problem. Here you in the screen. Now example 8, A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days, B alone can do it in 8 days, and with the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. So what is mentioned? A plus B plus C together can complete the entire work in 3 days, where A alone can do it in 6 days and B alone can do it in, what is mentioned in the question? There is mentioned that B alone can do it in 8 days. Okay. Now B alone can do it in 8 days. Now what is the LCM? The total work you calculate by LCM method. So what is LCM of 3, 6 and 8? So if you take LCM of 3, 6 and 8, you will get 24. So 24 units is my total work need to be complete. Now if this is the unit A, B and C together take 3 days, so what is A plus B plus C's 1 day work? 1 day work. So 1 day work of A plus B plus C is what? 24 units, entire day completed in 3 days. So they manufacturing 8 units per day. So A and B together, A, B, C together can complete 24 units while manufacturing 8 units per day. How many units A manufacturing per day? So A 24 units complete in 6 days. So A manufactured 4 units per day. 4 units per day. Now how much B manufactured? So B 1 day work is 24 units complete in 8 days. So I divide this value 3 units per day. Okay, fine. Now A is 1 day work 4 unit, B is 1 day work 3 unit. What is C's 1 day work? So if I subtract this A and B value, देखिए A और B मिलके कितना बनाना है? 4 plus 3 7 unit A and B together. Where A plus B plus C take 8 unit. So what is C's 1 day work? C's 1 day work is 8 minus 7. It means 1 unit produced by C per day. Okay. So C manufacture 1 unit, B manufacture 3 unit per day, A manufacture 4 unit per day. What is the ratio of A into B into C? Work ratio 4 unit production per day, 3 unit production per day, and 1 unit production per day. And this ratio is divide my 600 rupees. So you all know how you divide this 600 with this ratio. So what is the ratio of A? So how you calculate what is A will get? So 600 multiplied by 4 by total value A. So this is 1 by 2. It comes 300 rupees given to A. Now B's contribution is what? So 600 divided by 3 is the ratio for B, divided by 8. So 4, 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 5. So this is 225, 75 is 225 rupees. So 225 rupees goes to B. Now what does C get? So 600 in the ratio of 1 by 8. So this will 75. So B have 75 rupees. So 600 in the ratio of this. So A, B and C. So A get 300, B get 225 and C get 75. So this is the summation of 600 in this ratio A, B and C with the ratio of 4, 3 and 1. So this is the same problem I covered by conventional method also, and now here by LCM method. So this is all about of this question. Now again I am going to solve some different question based on men, women and children. Hello everyone. Now move to the next question based on men, women and children. 18 women and 30 men complete a certain work in 20 days. If each woman takes twice the time taken by a man to finish the whole work, in how many days will 40 men finish the same work? So already I mentioned here 18 women and 30 men complete a job in 20 days. If men work 1 unit per day, produces 1 unit per day, how much man produce? So man produce 2 units. Here W is representation of women and M is representation of men. Because work women takes twice the time as compared to men. So if men produce 2 unit, it means the women produce 1 unit. Okay. Now calculate करना है how much time 40 men take to complete the entire job. So for this you need to calculate what is my total work. कितना काम करना है. If you know the total work, then it is very easy to solve the question. Now here, from here, what is the ratio of men and women? So work ratio of women is 1 unit and men is 2 unit. Okay. Now I put this value over here. So 18 women, since women produce per day work, I am calculating 1 day work. I am calculating 1 day work. So what is 1 day work by 18 women? So if women produce 1 unit, 18 women is there. So this manufacturing by 18 women. 30 men. So 30 men I am writing M. So 30 or each man produce 2 unit. Okay, so this is 30 men produce 2 unit. So total 1 day work by 18 men and 30 women. 18 ones are 18 plus this is 60. So this is 78 units produced by 18 men and 18 women and 30 men per day. This is per day. Okay, this is 18 women plus 30 men per day. Now they complete the work in 20 days. So since this is per unit per this 78 unit per day production, 20 days they are completed. So if I multiply 20 days, because each day they are producing 78 units, so you will get total work. So this is what 2 8 is 16, 6 carry 1, 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15. So 1560 units is my total work. Total work. Okay, so this is my total work. 1560 units is my total work which need to complete. Now, question asks how much time 40 men take to complete the job, and men produce 2 units. So 40 men produce how many units per day? Per day, 1 day. 1 day work. So 1 day work, 40 men produce how many units? 2 units. It means 80 units produced by men per day. Now how much time this 40 men take to complete this entire work? So 40 men takes, this is complete work, and 80 units produced by 40 men 1 day. So I can write here this divided by 80. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 9s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 4 9s are 36, 2 and 39. So it comes 1 9, 18 1 by 2. So it will 19 1 by 2 days. So 40 men can complete how many days? The entire work, 19 and a half days to complete the total work. So this is the concept. Very interesting, very easy to solve. Concept is what is mentioned, 18 women 30 men complete day दे रखा था आपको, और साथ में रेशियो दे रखा था अगर women जो है 1 यूनिट आती है तो men कितना आता है 2 यूनिट. तो सबसे पहले मैंने ये देखा what is 1 day work completed by 18 women and 30 men, and that is 78 unit per day. They work for 20 days. This is 1 day work, so I first calculate what will be my total work. So total work is 1560 unit. Now you need to calculate how much time 40 men to complete this unit, but each man produce 2 units, so 40 men produce 80 units per day. So 80 unit per day production. So how much time take to complete this entire work? 19 and a half days to complete the entire work. Very good, very important and very interesting question.